To move on to the main highlight of this ceremony, we have our Division Head, Assistant Vice President CRS SCMC, Mr. Rafael T. Tihala, for the confirmation and graduating class.
Sa kapangyarihan at karapatan na pinagkaloob sa atin ng SM Group of Companies at kanyang mga kasapi, lahat ng 125 Black Eagle 0-25 class 797, 40 Black Eagle 03-25 class 798 at Smirk Mabalasik 0-25 Visayas 1 and Visayas 2 class 69 ay aking binabasbasan ang inyong pagtatapos.